Hey everyone, I'm Greg from Passports to Places. Now be honest, when was the last time you thought about using a travel agent? Well, most think they're outdated, expensive, or just unnecessary in this age of online booking. But what if I told you not using one could actually be costing you money and a lot of headaches? Today we're breaking down the biggest myths about travel agents and what's actually true. And to make it interesting, I'm going to frame it like a Q&A, the exact same questions people ask all the time. Before we begin, I'd like to ask you, if you find this video helpful and informative, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button so we know what content you love, and I'll bring you more of it. Now, let's get to the video. Booking a cruise is easy, and I can do it myself through the cruise line. If you've never been on a cruise or a particular cruise line and you call for information or to book, you're getting unknown and biased information. Of course, the cruise line agent is going to have what you want. Of course, they're going to be the best fit for you. Of course, this is the best price out there. And of course, they're better than everyone else. Most of these agents who answer the phones or book your cruise have never even been on a cruise. They just read from a script or a guide. They don't care which room they book for you. They don't make suggestions on which deck or which room layout is best. They're there to make the booking. Now, we have the experience of traveling and being on cruise ships. In fact, we're on Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Sea right now. I don't want to pay extra for a travel agent. Did you know that you're actually paying the cruise line to book through them? Because the commissions are already built into the cruise fare, whether you use an agent or not. Cruise lines are required to offer the same price to travel agents as they offer publicly. So instead of getting personal service, you're putting your money in the cruise line's pocket and getting impersonal, below average service. The cruise line can only sell you their cruises. Even if you think you found a perfect one on your own, an agent can provide you more information and also address unknowns, such as how to get home if you're on an open jaw cruise, how to get to port, what time to get to port, where to stay the night before, what documents that you need, such as visas, passports, birth certificates, and more. Did you know that you may be denied boarding or detained in Canada during a cruise if you have a U.S. felony or certain misdemeanors, even if you've already set sail or paid your final payment? You won't get your money back if this happens, and that's why it's important to use a travel agent. The cruise line is offering me a great price and additional perks. Did you know you can usually stack perks? If a cruise line is offering you $200 in onboard credit, you'll get that from a travel agent as well, plus whatever perks the travel agent offers. That could be a classic drinks package, Wi-Fi, spa services, or specialty dining. You'll still receive the free at sea or have it all benefits when booking through an agent. For hotels, we can offer upgrades, free breakfast, early check-in, late checkout, or food and beverage credit. Don't leave money and perks on the table by booking direct. I can shop around for the best price myself. What you pay online is the public price. This is what everyone pays, and this is the maximum price, not the cheapest price. Let me say this again. This is the maximum price. Why? Because travel agents have access to unpublished rates for hundreds or even thousands of cruises that could be huge savings off the public fare. Just think about that. The maximum you'll ever pay when using a travel agent is the cheapest what you find on your own. Let's compare what's available to us as travel agents to what's available to you, the general public. Let's look at a celebrity cruise aboard the Millennium for a 12-night Best of Japan itinerary for August of 2027 in an Aqua Class room. As a customer, you'll go to the Celebrity Cruises website and do the search. Once we filter through the ship, sail date, and room category, we come to Aqua Class. Now you see, the cheapest advertised price is for a guaranteed stateroom. If you choose your own stateroom, you'll see the price comes out to $13,510.50. Now, let's look at what Costco offers. Costco offers the same price that Celebrity does, $13,510.50. But it does include a $1,115 Costco cash card. I'll go more into these websites such as Costco, AARP, AAA, and Vacations to Go shortly. Now let's look at what my price is. You can see the best available online fare in the left column. That matches both Celebrity and Costco's per person rate. Now look at the middle column, which is our group rate. After selecting the group rate, we notice the total price for 2 passengers is $8,911.50. That's a savings of almost $4,600. Once again, that's a savings of almost $4,600. Even if you factor in the Costco shop card, that price is still $3,500 cheaper. But just like they say on TV, that's not all. With my group price, you're also receiving the classic drinks package and Wi-Fi for each passenger, along with $150 of onboard credit. Now, not all packages with each cruise are the same. You may receive spa services for a certain category or specialty dining. You may also receive a complimentary room or cabin upgrade. Now, how is this possible? Our company negotiates these rates most of the time at launch when the rates are the lowest. The rates are locked in from the date of the contract. As rooms are sold, rates rise, but our group rates are still locked in at that initial rate until all the allotted rooms are sold. Now, what happens if the price falls below what we negotiated? Well, we go back to the cruise line and we get a price adjustment, or just move the rooms out of the group rate and into the current available rate. So you're always going to get the best rate possible. Now, I challenge you today. Even if you have a cruise in mind, have done all your research, and know exactly what you want, contact us before booking and see if we can beat the deal you found, whether it's giving you extra perks or a better price. Even if you still want to book it yourself, it doesn't cost you anything to check with us and see how we compare. You've got absolutely nothing to lose, but so much to gain. Travel agents just book cruises or trips for one person or a couple. Actually, travel agents can book your whole family, your friends, your sports team, or your company with terrific group rates. We can handle one room to booking out an entire ship for a chartered corporate or special event. You'll always be able to negotiate the best rate the more rooms you book. Celebrating a birthday with family and friends? We can arrange a block of rooms where everyone pays the same price no matter when they book. Why do travel agents get a bad rap? Most think they're aggressive or act like vultures when someone is searching for one. True, this can be the case in some instances and with some agents and agencies. But at the same time, they're there to save you money and ensure you have a great vacation. And truthfully, we love what we do. We know what you get when you book direct with the cruise line, the bare bones. No assistance or recommendations for transportation to or from port. No experience actually being on board a cruise ship. No shore excursion recommendations. These are the benefits of using a real travel agent. An agent's job isn't just to sell you a cruise, it's to ensure you're having an amazing and carefree vacation. We've been traveling the world for over 40 years, from tropical islands to bustling cities, ancient ruins to modern marvels. We don't use AI to plan your vacation. We use our experience. Travel agents just book clients and then move on to the next. We are here from the beginning to the end, handling any delays, cancellations, issues, or problems. The goal is to build a relationship, not a customer. Our company actually provides you a complete online and printable itinerary, along with details on the history of the ports you're visiting, or how to get to your shore excursion. We bundle all your tickets together and send you a detailed packet, not just an invoice. We check in with you every step of the way, reminding you of your full payment due date, when to check in, what to bring on board, and what not to. We check for available upgrades or promotions. We know how many ships will be in port when your ship is in port. We check in during your trip to make sure it's running smoothly and remedy any problems you might have. We also check in after your cruise to ensure you had an amazing time. We believe in personal service. My travel agent charged me a service fee, so they're not always free. There are certain instances where we may charge a fee. This could be due to an extensive itinerary, such as hopping from country to country, organizing a wedding on board, or at a hotel in another country. We also may charge a fee for extensive research and planning, but that fee is waived once you complete your booking. Otherwise, every service we offer is free to use. Each agent's policy is different, so confirm any fees up front and if they are refundable upon booking. Travel agents work for the cruise line. That's how they get paid. Travel agents actually work as independent contractors and businesses who are affiliated with an agency or consortia to leverage buying power. Our actual employer is you, the client. We work for you, but you don't pay us any fees. We earn a commission from the cruise line, but it's every cruise line. So we don't favor one ship over another or one cruise line over another. We help you decide which is right for you based on your criteria, not the commission a cruise line pays, because they all pay the same commission. I lose control of my vacation when using a travel agent. This is completely the opposite. A good travel agent works with you, not instead of you. You still make all the decisions. They just bring you better options and handle the logistics. Think of it as having a co-pilot, not a replacement. You can reach us via email, text, or by phone. If you need to make a change or ask a cruise line the question, the only reliable way is to call or wait 5 to 7 business days for an email response. I can just book Viator or get your guide on my own. True, but we're here to help you if something does go wrong. We work for you if you need to fight for a refund for a bad experience. We work the excursions into your itinerary to make sure you return to the ship on time. The excursions are the same price whether you book directly through them or through us. So why not take advantage of our service and assistance? We make the payments, we make the bookings, we send the tickets electronically or physical paper tickets. Travel agents travel for free in return for good reviews or referrals. This is one of the most popular myths out there. We pay for our own travel as you pay for yours. Our personal travel allows us to form our own opinions, but we are in no way persuaded by a cruise line, hotel, or excursion company. Travel agents are privy to discounted rates, but only after maintaining a certain level of travel bookings per year. Costco, AAA, AARP, and Vacations to Go always have the best prices. A lot of times these agents do have unbeatable rates, but they're just like the cruise lines. They have their booking agents who are just there to sell, sell, sell. In fact, it's believed that these agencies have an employee turnover rate of nearly 80% in the first year due to long hours, high pressure sales, and low pay. So it's likely the person you book with won't be there by the time you cruise. The personal connection and service from a good travel agent offers more than just a reservation number. Also, many cruise lines will not offer the same services and options to customers who book with these companies. In fact, you'll see the fine print in the Bid Up program on most cruise lines, stating that third-party bookings are not eligible for these because the companies sell through net and discounted pricing. And don't forget, you can still use your Costco Visa card, so you still get that 2% back when booking with an agent. I like to see my travel agent in person and know they're real. We offer FaceTime and Zoom meetings to go over your itinerary or plan your vacation. That's something you'll never get when booking through the cruise line. We are a CLIA certified agency, which acts as the primary authority for the global cruise community. We're always accessible, whether that's by phone, text, instant message, or email. We don't take more clients than we can personally manage. I already booked my next cruise while on my last cruise. We actually encourage this. As mentioned earlier, you can stack your offers on top of each other. If you received an offer for $500 on board credit and we're offering $250 in onboard credit, that means you'll get $750 in onboard credit. Remember, we work for you. We want you to get as many perks and the best deal possible. We can also book Blue Chip Club cruises. Received an instant certificate on your last cruise? We can handle the booking for you, and Celebrity has just made it easier by logging into your account and enabling the travel agent option. When booking online or direct with a cruise line, you have a limited amount of time to transfer the cruise to us, and then we can offer you those extra perks. This timeline varies by cruise line, but it's typically between 14 and 30 days. I just go off reviews from Yelp, Google, or TikTok and Instagram. Have you reviewed every product or trip you've ever taken? I'm sure the answer is no. When you read reviews, they're usually biased one way or another, or they could be negative comments left by the competition, or glowing reviews by family and friends. With us, we work with thousands of other agents who actually have experience in cruising a certain line or staying in a specific hotel. We don't know it all, nor do we pretend to. So we rely on industry professionals to help us with things we're unfamiliar with. These agents have had clients who have done the same trip or stayed in the same hotel, and we ask every client about their experience. Every positive experience, every negative experience, they're all logged by professionals. Our reviews are legitimate and verified. A good agent will do their due diligence and book the right fit for you, not what a TikToker says. I've never had any issues when booking travel on my own. Well, that's great. That's what everyone hopes for. But what happens when something goes wrong? Did you pick the right insurance? Did you have the right coverage? Did the cruise line cancel your trip and now 4,000 other guests who are also on that cruise need to rebook at the same time? 4,000 other people need to cancel or find new flights, pre- and post-cruise hotels. Are you willing to spend your time and energy waiting on hold or in line at customer service? Well, that's what a travel agent is for. Not all travel agents are the same. The experience you have depends entirely on who you book with. You don't want someone who just books trips. You want someone who actually understands how to make your trip better. At Passports to Places, here's what we focus on. Personalized planning. We don't just throw options at you. We help you find the right trip. Cruise expertise. We know the ships, the cabins, the itineraries, and what's actually worth your money. Exclusive perks and value. From onboard credits to added extras, we help you get more for what you're already spending. Stress-free experiences. Flights delayed? Plans changed? We're here to handle it all so you don't have to. Real support. Not a call center. You're not dialing an 800 number. You're working with someone who knows your trip. Anyone can book a trip. Not everyone can make sure it goes right. So now, I want to hear from you. Are you team DIY or are you team travel agent? Drop a comment below and let's get the debate going. I'd love to try and convince you that an agent can make your experience more rewarding. And if you're planning a cruise or your next big trip and want expert help, check us out at passportstoplaces.com. We'd love to help you make it unforgettable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more travel tips, cruise insights, and smarter ways to travel. Plan well, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next adventure.